This event is the second one in Madras, and this is going to be done alongside the marina, the Kamaraja Salai. We had a good participation last time. We expect much more participation this time. The other thing we are doing is we are also going to provide more cycles on hire. Probably many people do not have cycles. Last time we provided around 500 bicycles. This time we'll do close to 2,000 bicycles. So we expect the participation also to be much higher. And we're going to have a race of a professional kind. And then we have various events catering to different sections of people like kids and then amateurs and professionals and those kind of things.
So, what will be the prime objective of TA Cycles being part of this cycling event? So, what will be the costs related to it?
Well, we have been picking up most of the costs. There are other sponsors also. The main objective is to promote cycling. We believe that there's a lot of scope in this country, and more people are taken to cycle when you ask them to cycle. There is a general inertia over a period of time. Unlike in the Western countries where people may have a couple of cars and also 2-3 bicycles, here people think, if you buy a bicycle, you cannot use it, you cannot. But these kind of events definitely make them to get back onto a cycle. And then they also start thinking of cycling, which we think is very good for the health and environment.
So, apart from giving higher cycle for that particular day, so will there be any safety concerns that you will be providing from your?
Yeah, as mentioned during the press conference, Malar Hospitals is going to be the medical partner for us. So they'll be there with their ambulance, with their physicians, in case anybody falls down or gets hurt or something like that, and any other kind of a first aid which may be required due to dehydration and stuff like that. We will be having doctors who will attend to these people. So it will be a fairly safe ride to do in terms of the atmosphere and also the help we have from doctors.
So when we think about cycling events, so the recall immediately comes to TA Cycles. So in Chennai, so will you be taking the same event to other important metros like Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, or other tier 2 cities?
We have already done this. We were the first to do this in Bangalore. We have done it for a few years in Bangalore. We have done it in Mumbai. We have done it in Delhi. We have done similar events in many small cities in across India. And I believe something like 200,000 people would have cycled every year because we have events like this. The event size can vary from 75 to 5,000 depending on the scale and the number of participants. We would like all the people to make cycling a habit, and initially it may appear a little difficult, but definitely I think more and more you do it, you start enjoying this, and any kind of help which is required from TA Cycles to form clubs or to help them with maintenance or selection of cycles, we are always there in terms of telling them and giving them the correct kind of guidance.